time to reveal my brand new bike. What do you think it is? Boom!
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
You know, I've tried to mix it up on my channel, and it's all about having fun and trying new stuff, man. That's what it's all about. I've had, 12 different motorcycles, e-bikes, the e-scooter. So you know what, guys? This one is a premium bike, guys. Premium with premium features, man. So let me reveal it. Boom! Yeah, baby. Gotta unbox it. So this is a proper unboxing video for my new bike, and look at them fat tires, dude. Bam! Check it out. Does that look sick or what, man? Look at that. Look at the mag wheels, bro. I'm bringing it back, brother. Look at this fat tire, dude. Look. With the rim, bro. Look at that rim. One-piece rim. No spokes to get damaged or anything, man. Check that out. Back in the day, we call them mag wheels. And this thing is light, man. A lot of you guys falsely believe these like fat tires are like really heavy. I'm telling you, with these rims here, man, woo, lightweight, boy. By the way, if you want to get this e-bike, I have a link where you can get $100 off in the description and comment section of this video. Look at that color, dude. Look at the gray. It looks sick, bro. Okay, this is what you get with the Engwe X26 fat tire e-bike here. And this is premium, man. This has got a ton of features I'm going to go over with you guys that most fat tire e-bikes don't have, man. So this is the first premium fat tire e-bike that I've got, but this is what you get here. The charger, you get a nice toolkit. Look at all them tools you get. Pedals, seat, man. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it. Check it out, I got it fully assembled. The Engwe X26 folding fat tire all-terrain e-bike. Yes, it is folding. You can actually pull this latch and it'll fold. And it has all the premium components on it, man. I've never had an e-bike like this. This is going to be absolutely awesome to test ride. I can't wait to do. I'm going to do the full review. Hopefully, weather permitting, on this Thursday, I'll do the full review. And I'm going to keep it real with you guys. But check out these wheels. One piece, dude. Look at that. We called them mag wheels when I was a kid, man. These are awesome, dude. You don't see these too often on e-bikes or bicycles, period, man. So I'm curious to see how tough those are. I'm going to put them to the test off-road. Also, you got those 4-inch thick, puncture-resistant fat tires, dude. Oh, man, you can take these e-bikes anywhere, guys. I like these fat tire e-bikes better than my $4,000 plus Sur-Ron X I had, which is trash in stock form. You got to build that bike up. Even though that is a lot faster than these e-bikes. This does 31 miles an hour, by the way. It has a 1200 watt peak rear hub motor on this here. It's got a range of 62 miles. It has two battery system, which you don't see too often on e-bikes. It's got a 19.2 amp hour 48 volt main battery here, which is removable here at the seat post here. And also a 10 amp hour 48 volt battery in here that is removable as well. This gives you a 48 mile range, the main battery, and this one gives you an extra 14 mile range here. They don't work together, they work separately. It has a plug-in, you plug in here, and then you can plug in here for this battery. That's really different. So it's like a backup battery system on here. Also, it has triple suspension, guys. It's got the suspension here on the front fork, which got nice travel, and then in here in the center, it's got suspension, a little bit of travel there, and then here, the rear suspension, you've got there. It's got hydraulic brakes. By the way, the batteries, it's a total of 1,400 watt hours between both batteries, guys. Is that sick or what? And it has this rear part here. You can actually attach stuff up to 55 pounds on this, which I think that's really cool. Now this bike is a bit hefty. It's one of the heaviest e-bikes I've had. It's still lighter weight than the Sur-Ron X, but it weighs in at 90 pounds. But that's because you got a lot of premium components on there, and I bet if you remove this battery, and it'll save some weight. This also has auto headlight, guys. Well, you can set it up where it will turn on automatically at dusk. Is that awesome or what, man? That's like my Lexus, you know, a Lexus and a lot of new cars these days with the lights automatically turn on at dusk. You got it on the e-bike now, dude. Is that cool or what, man? And I know some of you guys out there like cycle cruising, man. What are you messing around on these e-bikes? I'm telling you guys, just if you haven't tried an e-bike, please try it and don't talk. Try it. Don't criticize, try it. And by the way, if you want to get this bike, you can get $100 off. I have a link in the description and comment section of this video, an exclusive link where you get $100 off. You want to get this bike. It's still, like I said, less than half the cost of this Sur-Ron X, guys. I paid over $4,200 for that bike. I don't even ride it anymore. I ride my e-bikes. I haven't ridden this one yet. I will ride it, weather permitting, on Thursday. I'm going to do a full review at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I release all my videos Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll be doing a full review on this. Hopefully by Thursday, weather permitting. We'll see. And I can't wait to test. I'm going to put it through the whole gamut, ride it everywhere and all types of terrain everywhere. I'm going to put it through the full test. And I'm really just curious to see how this bike, because it just really caught my attention. It just looks so different from what you see out there, man. And it's a folding e-bike, like I said, as well. So it can be compact where you can put it away. And look at the color scheme, that gray. That's a sick color with the gray with the white lettering. Woo! That is fire, boy. That looks sick, boy. And it's got the 8-speed Shimano gear shifter here. And what I like about this one, it has the paddle control right here for the accelerator on the side. I hate some of the e-bikes that have the accelerator integrated with the grip, and then you end up ghost riding the bike. This one, you have to worry about that. It's got the paddle here, and it's got the shifter on the other side. So I like that. You know, that is cool. And hydraulic brakes, got good brakes, man. Woo! Oh, hydraulic brakes, boy. That's nice. Stop on a dime. I'm telling you, man, this, so far, like I said, I haven't ridden it. I haven't done anything. Looking at it and all the features, everything, it just seems like such an amazing bike for the amazing value, but we will see. I will put it to the test on Thursday, and if it's trash, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to keep it real. I told it, hey, listen, you know how I do. I'm going to keep it real. I'm going to tell you anything I don't like about a bike. I'm just going to tell you straight up. Like I said, I keep it real on my channel because you guys appreciate that I keep it real. You want honest truth, no BS. And I know some of you guys don't, crack on me about the e-bikes and stuff like that. It's because you never rode one, guys. You never rode one. Yes, motorcycles are fun, everything, but it's nice to change it up a bit sometimes, man. You need some cardio. Some of you guys sit on your motorcycles, don't do nothing else, don't exercise, nothing, then you end up with a heart attack or stroke or something because you ain't getting no exercise, no cardio. This one is cool because you got the pedal assist, and then of course you got full throttle control. It does top speed of 31 miles an hour, but it's cool even though, for those of you got knee problems, or you don't have to worry about that, any problems, because it's got the pedal assist, so it's very easy to pedal, no stress on your knee joints or anything, man. Very smooth, and it's so fun. I'm telling you, it's the most fun at 31 miles an hour you ever have, guys. And you don't really need to go faster than that on these e-bikes. They feel it is fun, I'm telling you guys. I haven't rid this one yet, but the other fat tire e-bikes I've had a blast on, as you guys know, and other review videos I've done, and I'm in love with these things, man. Absolutely in love with them. I just need more space in my garage. Look at I've already got 3 e-bikes here already, dude. 3 e-bikes there, man, and 2 motorcycles, and this golf cart that I got to put new batteries in, man. But so I'm gonna have to try to find somewhere to fit this one in here, man. But leave a comment below. What do you guys think about e-bikes, man? You think this looks cool or not? I want to hear what you guys got to say. That's why I do these videos. I love talking with you guys, man. Check it out. It's a good looking e-bike. Look at that. Got the rear tail light, dude. LED front light, looking proper mag wheels, dude. No way. Looking sick, bro. Yeah. But anyways, guys, make sure to hit thumbs up. Really helps my channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I release new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this Thursday coming up, hopefully I'll have the full review on this video. Till next time.
Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.